18 Home remedies to get rid of snoring. There is nothing worse than sleeping in the same room with someone who snores. Sleep apnea or snoring is a serious sleep disorder if left untreated. So how to get rid of snoring habits? We usually snore when the movement of air that we breathe in and out is obstructed due to cold, sinus, being overweight, or when the throat muscles relax. While occasional snoring due to a cold or sinus is not serious. Habitual snoring is very dangerous and can lead to stroke, high blood pressure, and heart attack. Here are a few home remedies for snoring. Home remedies for snoring. 1. Honey. Honey has antibacterial and antiviral properties that help clean the throat. When we snore, our throat becomes sore as it swells up. The anti-inflammatory properties of honey help reduce the swelling, thus, prevent the soft palate and larynx from overlapping. Drink a glass of warm water mixed with a teaspoon of honey every day at night before going to bed. The warm water will relax the rigid muscles. 2. Olive oil. Eating a large amount of saturated fats can cause heartburn and inflammation of the respiratory tract, which leads to soreness in the throat and congestion of the air passage. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive reduce the inflammation and cure heartburn. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix it in half cup of water. Drink it before hitting the hay. 3. Fish oil. Fish oil contains omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids that produce good cholesterol in the body and stop the production of bad cholesterol. This helps reduce the fat accumulated around the throat and nasal tract, hence, clears the passage through which air flows in and out of our body. 4. Turmeric. This spice is used to cure many ailments. It has antibiotic and antiseptic properties that cure inflammation and prevent snoring. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of warm milk or water. Drink it at night before going to sleep. This will reduce the congestion in the nasal tract, thereby, reduce snoring. In fact, this remedy is ideal for curing cough and cold as well. 5. Neti pot. This remedy helps clear a stuffy nose and reduce your snoring. Fill the neti pot with saline water. Stand over the wash basin with your head tilted sideward. Pour the water into the upper nostril using the long beak of the pot. Take care not to let the water get into your throat. The water should come out through the lower nostril. Tilt your head on the opposite side. Repeat the same process again. 6. Ginger. Apart from its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger also helps increase the production of saliva, which soothes the throat. When used along with honey, it also lubricates the walls of the throat and clears the nasal passage. You can use ginger in your regular tea, or make ginger tea by grating a piece of ginger in some boiling water. Steep the water for 10 minutes and then strain it. Add a teaspoon of honey to the solution and sip this tea. 7. Garlic. Garlic is very good for health and has no side effects at all. In fact, it helps reduce the buildup of mucus in the nasal passage. Thus, breathing becomes easier, especially when you have cold. Add crushed garlic to your food every day. 8. Humidifier. Dry air in your room is also a reason of snoring. Use a humidifier or vaporizer and add a few drops of peppermint oil or eucalyptus oil to the vaporizer a few minutes before going to bed. Herbal remedies for snoring. Here are some herbal ways to stop snoring. 9. Chamomile. Drinking chamomile tea can help decrease inflammation in the throat, as it contains bisabolol, an active ingredient that effectively checks snoring. It also relaxes the muscles and nerves of your body. 10. Clarified butter. Clarified butter is ideal for clearing the nasal passage. Heat a tablespoon of clarified butter, let it cool down. Use a dropper to pour 2 drops of the clarified butter into both nostrils. 11. Sage. Sage has many properties such as anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, anti-hypertensive and antimicrobial. It controls swelling and production of mucus that blocks the air passage in the nose and throat. Add a handful of sage leaves to a pot of boiling water. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to the water. Now drape a towel around your head and lean on the water vessel. Inhale the steam. Alternatively, boil some water and add a bunch of sage leaves to it. Let the mixture steep for 10 minutes and then strain the liquid. Allow it to cool down and then gargle with this water. Make this a part of your routine and gargle every night before you hit the sack. It's a good remedy to stop snoring naturally. Note: people who suffer from seizures should not use sage. 12. Thyme oil. Many people tend to snore when they are very tired after a long day work. Thyme has anti-aging, antiviral and antifungal properties which help relax the mind so that you can have a good night's sleep. Rub thyme oil on the bottom of your feet. Put on your socks and go to sleep. You can also add vegetable oil to the thyme oil for better results. Note: People with high blood pressure should take extra care when using thyme. Children below the age of 6 years, lactating mothers and women who are pregnant should not use thyme oil. 13. Nettle leaf tea. Nettle leaf tea helps prevent seasonal allergies which affect the upper respiratory system of our body. To make nettle leaf tea, take about 1 teaspoon of tea leaves in a kettle. Boil 1 cup of water and then pour it on the leaves. Cover the kettle and let the tea steep for 5 minutes. Strain the tea in a cup and drink it. Drink 3 cups daily for effective results. Note: nettle tea is diuretic, which means you will have to urinate frequently. 14. Golden seal. Golden seal is an herb with anti-inflammatory properties. It checks swelling in throat and is ideal for the treatment of cough and cold. To make golden seal tea, place a tablespoon of the dried leaves in a kettle. Add 1 cup of hot water to it. Cover the kettle and allow the mixture to steep for a few minutes. Now strain and drink the liquid. You may add some honey to improve the taste. Some people prefer to use golden seal extract as opposed to drinking tea. Simply add the extract to some water in a neti pot and pour it in your both nostrils one by one. Note: do not use golden seal if you are pregnant or if you are lactating. People who suffer from high blood pressure, diabetes and glaucoma should also refrain from using golden seal. Do not use golden seal for more than 7 days in a row. 15. Eucalyptus oil. This is one of the excellent snoring solutions, especially when you have cold. Eucalyptus opens up nasal passage so that you can breathe easily. Its anti-inflammatory properties control swelling in the nostrils. You may rub some oil on your nose or add the oil to some boiling water and inhale the steam. 16. Peppermint oil. How to stop snoring naturally? Well, it's pretty simple. Use peppermint oil as it has anti-inflammatory properties that check swelling in the nostrils. Mix a drop of peppermint oil in a glass of warm water and gargle with it, without swallowing before going to bed. Alternatively, take a few drops of the oil on your fingertips and rub it on your nostrils. Or else, boil some water in a vessel and add a few drops of peppermint oil to it. Cover your head with a towel and lean over the vessel. Inhale the steam to clear the nasal passage. 17. Mint tea. Place 8 to 10 mint leaves in a cup. Fill the cup with hot water. Steep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain it and add honey, optional. Sip the tea, breathing in the minty steam. 18. Essential oil blend. In a 30 ml mixing bottle, add 5 drops each of clove bud oil, cinnamon bark oil, eucalyptus oil, rose oil, and lavender oil. Mix 2 drops each of myrtle oil, sage oil, and basil oil. Fill the rest of the bottle with sweet almond oil and wheat germ oil. If you have sun-damaged or sensitive skin, you can add rosehip or argan oil. Shake the bottle well. Rub this oil on your chest before sleeping. DOS. Elevate your head by placing 2 or more pillows under your head. This will stop the air passage from being blocked. You can even try sleeping without a pillow, but keep your neck straight. People who snore often should sleep on their sides as opposed to sleeping flat. Singing helps strengthen the muscles in the throat and is a good exercise for the vocal cords. Overweight people should reduce their weight. Drink plenty of water as dehydration turns the mucus in your nose thick and sticky, thus causing congestion which leads to snoring. Keep your house clean so that it is free from dust and germs that otherwise cause cough and cold. Don'ts. Do not consume any sleeping pills, alcohol or caffeinated products before going to bed. Avoid drinking or eating dairy products just before going to bed, if you have got cough. These products create mucus which blocks the throat. Stop smoking as it can cause swelling in the throat.